In this video, we're going to explore computational methods for analyzing groups of text, sometimes called corpus analytics. WordHoard, which includes text from Shakespeare, Spenser, Chaucer, and early Greek epic, is one tool which allows scholars to perform this kind of analysis. We'll be going through the examples quickly to highlight concepts here, but we will show you how to get results in WordHoard in a follow-up practice video. In order to understand how WordHoard works, we'll first have to understand the concept of corpus analytics. A corpus is a collection of texts. It could be the complete stories of Sherlock Holmes, it could be every 19th century fiction work in the public domain, or it could be the text of your 5 favorite poems. A corpus is simply a selection of texts. Analytics is the close study of data or statistics in search of meaning. In texts, units of data are words, or more specifically, attributes of words. The frequency at which words appear, or how close together certain words appear, can all be quantified. Taken together, corpus analytics is the study of linguistic data within a given collection of texts. You might hear other terms used: text analysis, corpus linguistics, and others. These might be synonyms of or subsumed within corpus analytics, but for our purpose, we're going to be sticking with the term corpus analytics. While we'll be working with WordHoard, there are a number of tools which use the same or similar methods to allow scholars to perform corpus analytics. The biggest method is tagging data. Tagged data allows WordHoard and other programs to run statistical algorithms on a large set of words. Here are a few examples of tagging structures. Morphological tagging refers to a word structure. In WordHoard, every part is tagged for its part of speech, its word class, and its spelling. A word such as left would be tagged differently based on its usage: the direction left, an adjective, and the past participle verb left, as in left alone. Narrative tagging refers to words in speech or dialogue. They can be tagged by their speaker's gender, and even their speaker's mortality. Words from supernatural beings are tagged differently from mortal beings. These are just 2 examples of tagging, and WordHoard's corpora are tagged in many more ways than outlined here. Other programs allow scholars to mark up text with their own tags, depending on what they wish to study. For example, a researcher studying nobility and social class could tag names in a corpus by noble rank. Corpus analytics allows us to see things about the text that we could not through close reading. Even when we could or have read an entire corpus, like the tragedies of Shakespeare, corpus analytics can help us make assessments that we wouldn't notice with human modes of reading. People don't often keep track of the occurrence of a word like "the" in a text. However, a computer can. What might it mean if such small, usually insignificant words appear at much higher frequency in some works than others? These questions can steer research in new and unexpected directions. If you're interested in learning more about how WordHoard tags texts, consider reading their documentation section at http://wordhoard.northwestern.edu. For more information on using WordHoard, please see the accompanying video on WordHoard in practice.